Welcome back my YouTube channel. Kaljing hikai ban kren pareng hato don apdeng jongpi ki bakwa ban tip kane ka video kan yarap ipi lada pio sngew jeng mantoy na kane ka video wanam klen ban share lem shiki perlak lane haying hasem jongpi wanam klen ru ban like share and subscribe ya kane ka channel aleng ne pa ya kane ka jing hikai. We have to accept the fact kasi ngi ha ban pedang ya ka jing shisha. To show partiality is not good. Kasi kabasha shiliang kamlang kababha. Wisdom is the principal things. Kasi kajing stan kalong kabakong san. We have come a long way. Kasi ngi wan na kalunti kabajngai bha. Don't expect anything from me. Kasi what kami denti ai nanga. When you do good things, no one remember. Kasi haba pile ya kababha omdon bakan mau. Hard work is a key to success. Kasi kajing tray shitam kalang kalunti sha kajing job. No one understand my feeling. Kasi omdon basngew tho ya kajing sngew jonga. Be happy with what you have. Kasi long ki bakmen ya balay kaba pidon. Sometimes life does not give you what you want. Kasi teng ha kajing im pim yo ka ai kaba pikwa. Time does not wait for anyone. Kasi kapor come up yano ro. Service to man is service to God. Kasi kajing syakri ya ubriu kalong kajing syakri ya ublay. Try to understand others' feelings. Kasi persyang ban sngew tho ya kajing sngew kiway. I did hear a word you said. Kasi ngam yo sngew ya ki kentin ba pi ang. Life is a journey. Kasi kajing im kalong kajing yai lenti. Every problems has a solution. Kasi manla kajing kadon kajubab. I can promise to fix all of your problems, but I promise you won't face them all alone. Kasi ngamla ban kular ban penbe ya baro kijing jongpi. Henry nga kular ya pi pin omman ya kine kijing baro marway. Thank you for being with me. Kasi kublay shibon ya kajing don rangkat jongpi bat nga. I'm with you. Kasi nga don rangkat bat pi. A friends in need is friends indeed. Kasi uparlak ubashisha day Uparlak Hakashipa. Thank you so much. Don't forget like, share and subscribe.